Imagine walking into a bank and having them compete for your business. Picture getting approved for your dream home at the lowest possible interest rate, or qualifying for a credit card that actually pays you to use it. This isn't fantasy. This is the reality of having excellent credit. Your credit score isn't just a number. It's a key that unlocks doors to a fundamentally different financial life. And today, I'm going to show you the 5 most important things you can do with good credit that will literally change how you live. Welcome back to the channel where we help you build wealth through smart credit strategies. I'm excited about today's video because we're not just talking about credit scores. We're talking about the life-changing opportunities that open up when you have excellent credit. Whether you're starting from scratch, rebuilding after some setbacks, or looking to take your good credit to the next level, these 5 strategies will show you exactly how good credit transforms from a financial tool into a pathway to the life you actually want to live. Let's dive in. The most powerful thing you can do with excellent credit is buy a home at the best possible rates. This isn't just about getting approved, it's about the massive difference that interest rates make over the life of your mortgage. Here are the real numbers. On a $400,000 home with a 30-year mortgage, the difference between a 6% interest rate and a 7% interest rate is $287 per month. That's $3,444 per year, or over $103,000 over the life of the loan. That's not a typo. Excellent credit can literally save you over $100,000 on a single mortgage. But it goes beyond just the interest rate. With excellent credit, you'll often qualify for lower down payment requirements, better loan terms, and you'll have negotiating power with lenders. You might avoid private mortgage insurance sooner, or qualify for special first-time homebuyer programs that aren't available to borrowers with fair credit. The difference between a 620 credit score and a 760 plus credit score isn't just getting approved versus getting denied. It's the difference between barely affording a home and comfortably affording a better home in a better neighborhood. Picture yourself holding the keys to your perfect home, not settling for what you can barely afford, but choosing the house you actually want. Maybe it's that extra bedroom for your growing family, or the backyard you've dreamed about, or simply being in the school district you want for your kids. With excellent credit, you're not just buying shelter. You're investing in the lifestyle and future you've envisioned for yourself and your family. Business credit cards and loans become available at rates that actually make sense for entrepreneurs. Instead of paying 18 to 24% on business financing, excellent personal credit can help you secure business lines of credit at 6 to 10%. This difference determines whether a business idea is profitable or not. Real estate investors use excellent credit to qualify for multiple investment property mortgages, often with as little as 20% down. Your credit score affects not just whether you get approved, but how many properties you can finance and at what rates. Even for investing in yourself, whether that's education, certifications, or starting a side business, excellent credit gives you access to lower-cost funding options. Personal loans at 5 to 8% instead of 15 to 20% can make the difference between pursuing an opportunity and having to pass it by. The wealthy understand that good credit isn't just about spending money. It's about accessing capital to make money. Imagine having the financial flexibility to say yes to opportunities. Maybe it's starting the business you've always dreamed about, buying that rental property you've been analyzing, or simply having the credit available to invest in yourself when the right moment comes. Excellent credit means opportunities don't pass you by because of financing. They accelerate your wealth building. This one might surprise you, but excellent credit actually enables you to live better while spending less money. Premium credit cards with excellent rewards programs become available, turning your everyday spending into vacation funds, cashback, and valuable perks. We're talking about the credit cards that offer 2 to 5% back on everything, with sign-up bonuses worth $500 to $1,500. Travel credit cards that provide airport lounge access, free checked bags, travel insurance, and points that can cover your family vacations. These aren't just nice-to-haves. They're real money back in your pocket. Excellent credit also qualifies you for the best rates on car loans, often 2 to 4 percentage points lower than fair credit rates. On a $35,000 car loan, that's the difference between a $650 monthly payment and a $550 monthly payment. Over 5 years, that's $6,000 in savings. Insurance companies use credit scores for pricing in most states, so excellent credit means lower auto and homeowners insurance premiums. Cell phone companies offer better plans and waive deposits. Even utilities and apartment landlords offer better terms to applicants with excellent credit. Picture yourself traveling in style, not because you're spending more money, but because your excellent credit qualified you for cards that cover your flights with points and give you access to airport lounges. Imagine the peace of mind of knowing you're getting the best rates on everything, from your car loan to your insurance, keeping hundreds of extra dollars in your pocket every month to spend on what actually matters to you. Excellent credit provides something invaluable: financial security and peace of mind. When you have excellent credit, you have access to emergency funding at reasonable rates when life throws you curveballs. High-limit credit cards with 0% introductory APR offers become available, sometimes 15 to 21 months of interest-free financing. Personal lines of credit at single-digit interest rates. Home equity lines of credit that let you tap into your home's value at mortgage-level rates. This isn't about encouraging debt, it's about having options when you need them. Medical emergencies, job transitions, family crises, or once-in-a-lifetime opportunities all become manageable when you have access to affordable credit. Excellent credit also means lower security deposits for apartments, utilities, and services. It means easier approval for professional licenses, security clearances, and even some job applications that include credit checks. Imagine sleeping better at night, knowing that you have financial options if something unexpected happens. Not because you plan to use credit, but because you have the security of knowing it's there at reasonable rates if you need it. Picture the confidence that comes from knowing that a car repair, medical bill, or job transition won't derail your financial plans. You have the credit tools to handle life's surprises and keep moving forward. At the highest credit levels, you gain access to financial products and opportunities that simply aren't available to everyone. We're talking about invitation-only credit cards, private banking relationships, and preferential treatment from financial institutions. Cards like the American Express Centurion or JP Morgan Chase Reserve require not just excellent credit, but also significant income and spending. These cards provide concierge service, exclusive event access, travel benefits, and rewards programs that can be worth thousands of dollars annually. Private banking relationships offer personalized service, better rates on loans and mortgages, and access to investment opportunities not available to regular banking customers. Some banks offer relationship pricing where having multiple accounts and excellent credit can reduce fees and improve rates across all your financial products. Excellent credit also positions you for financial strategies like credit card churning for travel rewards, qualifying for multiple business credit lines for cash flow management, or leveraging promotional financing for major purchases or events. Picture yourself being courted by banks instead of hoping for approval. Imagine having a personal banker who knows your name and provides customized financial solutions. Envision having access to financial products and opportunities that put you in the top tier of consumers, not just because of your income, but because of the excellent credit foundation you've built. This is the financial VIP lifestyle that excellent credit provides. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds amazing, but what if my credit isn't there yet? Here's the truth. Building excellent credit is absolutely achievable, but it does require the right strategy and consistency. If you're starting from scratch or rebuilding, tools like Ava Finance can be game changer. Ava Finance specializes in helping people establish or improve their credit scores through a credit card builder and loan program that reports your positive payment history to all 3 credit bureaus. What makes Ava Finance different is that they're designed specifically for credit building, not just lending money. They provide the structure and reported needing to build real, lasting credit improvement. I've included the link in the description where you can learn more about how their credit building tools work. The key is starting where you are and being consistent. Whether that's through a secured credit card, a credit builder loan, or simply optimizing the credit accounts you already have, the important thing is taking action. Here's what I want you to remember. Excellent credit isn't just about having a high number on a credit report. It's about having access to financial tools that can literally change your life trajectory. Every one of these opportunities, from home ownership savings to business funding to premium lifestyle benefits, compounds over time. The earlier you build excellent credit, the more years you have to benefit from these advantages. Your credit score is an investment in your future self. It's the foundation that supports almost every other financial goal you have. Whether you want to buy a home, start a business, travel the world, or simply have financial security, it all starts with building and maintaining excellent credit. The lifestyle you want is achievable, and excellent credit is one of the most powerful tools to get there. Start where you are, be consistent, and remember that every payment, every responsible credit decision is building toward the financial freedom and opportunities you deserve. What's your biggest credit goal for this year? Drop a comment below and let me know what you're working toward. And if this video helped you see the bigger picture of what excellent credit can do, make sure to like and subscribe for more credit and financial strategies. Your future self will thank you for the credit foundation you build today.